What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I got something very special today. We're going to do one of our power mods before we get tuned, so let's get right to it. I'm going to show you what it is. We're going to be installing an intake. So we got this, guys, and then in this box my filter. We're going to do a before sound and then an after. We're going to start by first taking off the negative battery terminal. We're gonna disconnect that first. So get your 10 millimeters and start taking off these 3 bolts here. We got this one, this one, this one. We took them off. Now we just remove it. We gotta disconnect this. Disconnect your mass airflow sensor. So yeah, guys, we're gonna take this bolt off. We're gonna unclip right here, and then we're gonna take this one off as well. So let's get to it. So yeah, guys, so just lift it up. We should be able to take it out. All right, guys, next up we're gonna take this bolt off. To take this off, just like that. So right now we got this in, so we connected this with this one, and then put a rubber grommet around it. Now we gotta put this one on. There we go. Now we're done. So as you can see, this is the factory tube, and it goes straight into the filter. Now once the hood closes, this rubber right here will touch the hood, and it'll prevent pretty much most of the heat getting in here. All right, guys, as you can see, that's the intake. That's what it looks like. Yo, that is so loud. That's very loud. No lie, that low-key scared me. As you can see, guys, it sounds pretty damn good. I'm really excited with it. So I got another surprise for you guys, and here it is. We are going to be doing 350Z vents on the Maxima. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, how it sounds, what you guys thought about the whole install. Comment down below, please. Like, subscribe, comment. You know, tell me what you guys think. What should I do next to the car? Are you guys ready for this? It's gonna be sick. Yeah, so until next time, see you guys later. Peace.